In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your purchase history, check order status, and locate the trash icon. Let's get started on the homepage of the store's website. Look to the upper right corner and click on the Sign In button. This takes you to the secure login area so you can access your account details. If you don't see it at first glance, it's usually in that top right area labeled Sign In or Account. Go ahead and sign in as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll see an option called Purchase History. Click on that. This is where all your past and current orders are organized in one place. After you select Purchase History, give the page a moment to load. Depending on your connection and how many orders you have, it may take a few seconds. If the page seems to hang, a quick refresh usually helps, but be patient and let it finish loading first. On this page, you'll be prompted to type in your email address and your order number. Enter the same email address you used when you placed the order to make sure everything matches up. For the order number, copy it exactly as it appears in your confirmation message to avoid typos. Taking a moment to double check both fields can save you time later. Next, click View Order Status. This tells the system to pull up the details for that specific order so you can see where things stand. After a brief moment, you'll arrive at your order overview. Here, you'll see a list of your orders, typically showing recent ones near the top. Scroll through the list to find the order you're interested in, and you can review key details like the status, date, and items. As you look across the page, locate the trash icon. You'll usually find it on the right side of each order row or in some layouts at the top of the page where actions are grouped. The trash icon is a visual cue for actions related to removing or clearing items. If you're exploring your options for managing an order, this is the icon to be aware of. Always make sure you understand what action that icon performs on your specific account before proceeding, and only use it if you're certain it's the right choice for your situation. That's it. You've signed in, opened purchase history, waited for it to load, entered your email address and order number, clicked View Order Status, reviewed your list of orders, and located the trash icon where management options are typically found. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each